Hi guys, welcome back to Amy of Melbourne. My name's Amy, obviously, and today we're going to be personalising this amazing bag from Earth's Tribe. First thing you need to do is collect your flowers. I'm collecting some cornflowers here, some mums, some nasturtiums, pansies, basically anything you can get your hands on that definitely makes a colour. There's a big list and I'll link down below. Once you've collected all of those, it's winter here, so I actually had to collect some from Bunnings, but that's okay too. They've all come home with me and now they are in my garden. So this is my little stash. Some more of these, more pansies. I can't pronounce these, osteo something. They're mums. Got some mums. And that's all I could find that actually had flowers on them. God damn. Once you finish with that, then you need to prep your bag for the dyeing process. The bag has these really cool pockets on the inside so that if you're filling up from a zero waste sort of store and you've got your own jars or bags, then you can sort of slot them in and it keeps everything safe and separated. It's a really cool idea. So as you can see here, it's got some marker from some kids and it's also got a couple of little imperfections in the bag, so it wasn't able to be sold, but my beautiful friend wanted me to see if I could make it a little bit prettier. To mortar a bag like this, you're going to use soy milk. It's about a 1:5 ratio, but you can always add some more soy milk. And then you're going to pre-wet your bag and then put it into this mixture. And you're going to leave it in that mixture for at least 24 hours. Then you're going to put it in your washing machine on a spin only, no rinse. You have to leave all of that mordant on it. So just spin it and then you're going to let it dry and you're going to leave it for at least a week before you actually try and dye it with anything, longer if possible. So I've got all my flowers laid out beautifully on top of my bag, ready for me to smash the colour out of them into the bag, which is pretty exciting and super fun to do. So I'm going to cover up my flowers with some baking paper, but you can actually use another piece of fabric. And then you're going to get a hammer and you're literally going to smash or pound the colour out of those flowers into the bag. It takes a while and it's easier if you use an actual hammer, not a kid's hammer or like the mini hammer that I managed to find somewhere in my house. But once you lift off the flowers, you can see that they do actually print into the fabric. It's so cool and so pretty. Not all the flowers survive though. In fact, none of them do. For some flowers, you can actually even print them multiple times, providing that they stick to whatever you've got them onto. But if you are doing two bits of fabric, one on top of the other, it won't. You can also fold your project in half and hammer it in that way, and you sort of get like a butterfly effect. So there you have it, all done. What you're going to do now is you're going to heat set those prints into there. And then they look like this, and they're absolutely stunning and beautiful. Once you've done that, you're going to, again, give it a bit of a rinsey wash, and then you're going to let it up to dry. And then I thought that I'd make this a little bit extra special, and I'd put a label on the front to make it look sort of like a designer bag. Because it is a collab between me and my friend from Earth's Tribe. So I'm just using my Cricut and some vinyl to make a patch basically to go on the front, and it's really satisfying to peel off the extra vinyl. So here are our two labels. You have to make sure that you mirror it and then you put it around the right way, and then you're going to iron it on.
You need to have your iron on fairly hot, but not too hot. As you can see here, I did one section a little bit too hot on my iron, and it stuffed up the Amy part. So I've got to reprint that and put it on. That's okay. Then I'm going to go and put some baking paper down on that again, and I'm going to make sure that absolutely everything is fused in and heat set as much as it can be. And there you have it. Ta-da! Botanical print bag with all natural ingredients except for obviously the label, in collaboration with Earth's Tribe. Check them out. Links below.